Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. So with today's hairstyle, I am doing something a little bit different. Okay, usually I will prep her hair, plaque it up, wait till the next morning so it's all nice and stretched. I didn't do that this time around. As y'all see, I'm slapping that leave-in conditioner in because I'm just going to moisturize her hair and put it in 2 puffs and move on with my life. Okay, I did not feel like messing with this child's hair. I was tired. Usually I wouldn't put this on my channel because it's like so basic, but we gonna see what this do. Okay, it's a hairstyle. Y'all welcome. But okay, so I did cold wash her hair, which is just like conditioner, rinse it out, you good to go. So her hair was feeling nice. It was feeling a little moisturized. Now, we're just going to put in our products. So I did the leave-in conditioner, as y'all see, all that white in her hair. And then I went in with this Curl Smoothie by Shea Moisture. Now, this ain't my favorite one for her hair. For some reason, the one that I love, the one that her hair loves, they don't want to sell in their stores anymore. Don't y'all hate when that happens? Like, why would I want the product? Y'all either raise the price or y'all sell it now out. What's going on? But luckily, I found it on Amazon, so she comment. And then I just went in with her oil. Her hair loves this oil. And then I'm just going to seal all that moisture off with some grease, okay? I don't know what grease that is. It ain't Blue Magic. It's hair food. That's what it is. It's hair food. So I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of put that away. We're going to do the other side, okay? And then now we're just going to get on to the design. Y'all, this hairstyle, quick, simple, easy. I don't know how long it took me to do this hairstyle, but we're going to say it took 5 minutes so it can match up with the title. So, I ain't lying, for real. I ain't lying. Anyway, so what I did is zigzag parts. And then once I got, like, towards where you would do the ear-to-ear part, I just went straight back, okay? And then you see me putting in 2 puffs. Baby, that's it. And then I'm going to go ahead with this hair gel, okay? Because if you use braiding gel with all this product in the baby hair, it's not going to come out cute. It's not. So get you some hair gel as well. And I just went ahead and I did comb out her hair. I guess I didn't show it with this one, but on the other side, y'all gonna see me. I combed out her hair. But make sure the baby hair detangled, okay? Make sure the baby hair detangled. And then I went ahead with the gel and I just put it on her hair and I just brushed that through. That's step 1. Okay, so we get that hair all laid so it knows where it's going. Okay, so I got one side done. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. Y'all see it here, combing that baby hair. Now, mind you, when I cold wash, I did detangle her hair and all that type of stuff. So, that's why I'm kind of sliding the comb through because it was, this is just to make sure there ain't no more tangles. And then I'm taking that hair gel, putting it on her hair, and I'm just smoothing her hair, kind of molding it where I want it to lay in the ponytail. And yeah, y'all see it. And I'm just going section by section, taking my time. I know this is kind of like fast. I took my time clearly because this is taking forever and I sped this video up. I'm just kind of showing y'all the back, how the back looks like. I mean, it ain't no difference, but yeah. Make sure it's not tight and then go ahead. Okay, we still smoothing it out. Yeah. Then I'm just go ahead and put that rubber band out. Oh, no, we not. Oh, baby. Put the brush down. It's done. All right. Ah! Now we done, God. Woo! Don't brush my baby thoughts out, God. Anyways, so I found these in her drawer. I'm like, I forgot about these. Super cute. I feel like her buffs are a little too small for this, but I don't give a damn. It's so cute. Look at my baby looking like a little fairy. Okay, y'all, and that's it. Quick, simple, easy, breezy, beautiful. That come girl. Black girl. Oh, yeah. Anyways, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you like this hairstyle, let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.